Hi there and welcome to the walk around video of the BMW 420i Coupe here at your next car. So we'll give you a little walk around the outside of the car and we'll jump through into the interior and show you around some of the interior features and options. So of course starting with the outside of the vehicle where we've got the Your Next Car Performance Kit which is fitted all in-house. On this particular 4 Series we've gone for the satin front splitter, the gloss black kidney grills. We've also just fitted the 20-inch GTS alloy wheels. These alloy wheels are all brand new with brand new tyres. As you can see they are also in the gloss black. This vehicle does benefit from the stunning angel art and xenon headlamps with the headlamp washers. Down the side we've got the gloss black sidebars, side vinyls and M-Formats decals. We've also just fitted the gloss black mirror caps. On the interior we've got the superb black Dakota leather which in the front is heated. We've also got the electric lumbar adjustments. Moving around to the very back where we've got the gloss black rear boot spoiler, satin diffuser. Boot space for the 4 Series Coupe is very good, plenty of space in there. The seats do also fold on this 4 Series model, so should you require any extra room you've got that option there. Give you a nice little side view of the 20-inch alloy wheels. The GTS alloy wheels are obviously a feature for the CS model M4, however we've made them work very nicely with a couple of our 4 Series models here at Your Next Car, and I think they sit very nicely and work very well, especially with the gloss black of the performance kit. So jumping on into the inside, we've got the power fold mirror function, we've got the multi-function M Sport steering wheel, we've also got the superb 8-speed sport gearbox with paddle shift. In the rear where we've got the Isofix rear bench, plenty of space in the rear for even adults in the back of the 4 Series Coupe. We've also got, as well as the electric lumbar adjustment on these seats, we've got the heated leather. We've got the BMW Professional Wide Navigation and Media. As you can see, there's the nav screen. We've got Bluetooth communication and media, DAB radio, and a wide array of multimedia inputs as well. As I've already mentioned, it has got that superb 8-speed sport gearbox with your pedal shift. It's also got cruise control with the speed limiter function, voice control, volume control. The vehicle itself has covered just over 20,000 miles, as you can see there on the odometer. Servicing wise, the vehicle is just going to go for a full service in our in-house workshop, where we will have a full receipt of that done for you, so there'll be no issues there. So therefore it will not be due a service for 20,000 miles upon collecting it, should you go for this particular vehicle. Last little details will obviously be the gloss black air vent on the side wings, and that's pretty much going to wrap up the little walk around for the 420i Coupe. Okay, so we of course hope you found the video useful, but most of all we do hope to see you very soon here at Your Next Car. Thank you very much for watching, take care and goodbye.